Hello everyone. Welcome to one of the most interesting question from linear equation in 4 variable. Here 4 equations are given and solving them we have to get value of 4 variables A, B, C and D. By traditional method of substitution, this question involves lot of calculation and will take long time. Let's see how we can solve this particular question in 1 minute. Now, if you'll observe, the coefficients here are increasing powers. This is 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to power 4. 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 raised to power 4. And here also it is 1, 1 square, 1 cube, 1 raised to power 4. So basically, if we'll compare these 4 linear equations with a biquadratic equation of A plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube equals to x raised to power 4. Now this equation will have 4 solutions, but if you'll see, if we'll put x equals to 1, we get our first equation. That means x equals to 1 is a solution for this particular biquadratic. Same way we can say that x equals to 2 is also the root, x equals to 3 and x equals to 4. So the 4 roots for this biquadratic are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here if we'll assume that, or first we'll write this equation again as x raised to power 4 minus dx cube minus cx square minus bx minus a equals to 0. Now if we'll assume the roots for these equations are alpha, beta, gamma and delta, then we can say that alpha is 1, beta is 2, delta is 3 and gamma is 3 and delta is 4. So taking sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Now this is given by coefficient of negative of coefficient of x cube upon coefficient of x raised to power 4. So negative of coefficient of x cube upon coefficient of x raised to power 4. Putting the values of alpha, beta, gamma and delta, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is D. And we are getting our first solution that D is 10. Same way, if we'll take sum of product of 2 roots at a time, we get alpha, beta plus alpha, gamma plus alpha, delta plus beta, gamma plus beta, delta plus gamma, delta. This is coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x raised to power 4. So that's negative C. Putting the values of alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So this is 1 times 2 plus 1 times 3, 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3, 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4. This is negative C. Solving it will get second value, that is C is negative 35. Now taking fourth relation, that is sum of product of roots taken 3 at a time. So we have got alpha, beta, gamma plus alpha, beta, delta plus alpha, gamma, delta plus beta, gamma, delta. This is coefficient of negative of coefficient of x, negative of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x raised to power 4. So putting the values here, we get 1 times 2 times 3 plus 1 times 3 times 4, 2 times 4 plus 1 times 3 times 4 plus 2 times 3 times 4 is B. Solving it, we'll get value of third variable, that is B is 50. The fourth relation is the product of all the roots, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So this is constant term upon coefficient of x raised to power 4. So constant term here is minus a upon 1. Putting the values here, we get 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is negative a, or a is minus 24. And that's the solution, the values of A, B, C and D. I hope you enjoyed the solution. So if you like the video, please do press the like button. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe it. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.